We will discuss about cell structure and what the process in the cell membrane, in the cytoplasm, what is the process in the nucleus. Totally we will clear our concept today in this lecture. Look at every living organism composed of different types of cell. Every living organism composed of different types of cell. Why? Suppose, for example, suppose we have a human here. We have a human here. Now, this human composed of different types of cell. Different types of cell, epithelial cell, endothelial cell, intestinal cell, gastrointestinal cell. This human being consists of different types of cells in the different systems, in the different places of the body. All types of cells have same structure. All types of cells have same structure, but they have different function. For example, in the nervous system, nerve cell, what they transport information. They transport the information. Our respiratory system, our reproductive system, for example. In reproduction system, we have sperm cell, gamete cell. Sperm cell have function to travel in the uterus toward the gametes. Gametes present in the female organ. Both cells meet with each other, both cells fertilize with each other and form a zygote. Both cells perform a function for the formation of zygote. From zygote, human being produce. Now, our bone cell, osteocyte, osteoblast, osteoclast, osteoblast. These three types of cell have function produce a bone marrow. Bone marrow produce a blood cell, which is red blood cell, white blood cell. Our circulatory system also have function. Circulatory system have red blood cell and white blood cell. Red blood cell get oxygen, transfer it into the other place. So this is the part of the body which is composed of different types of cells that have different function, but they have same structure. The structure of the cell have cell membrane. In the cell membrane, which is surrounded the cytoplasmic region, which surround the cytoplasmic region and protect it from the extracellular environment. These are all the extracellular environment of the body. In the cell nucleus, now we are starting from the nucleus. Nucleus composed of nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane. In the nuclear membrane that is surrounded within ribosomes and nucleolus. In the nucleolus, the genetic information in the nucleolus, the genetic information means DNA. From DNA, genes. From genes to RNA. From RNA to ribosomes. From genes to reproduction. Reproduction means meiosis, mitosis. So look at the function of the nucleus. Nucleus produces ribosomes. Ribosomes transfer from the pores that are present in the nuclear envelope. We have a nuclear envelope. We have a nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane have outer surface and inner surface. Outer surface composed of Golgi apparatus. Inner surface composed of ribosomes, nuclear structure. Ribosome and nuclear structure. From the nuclear pore, that thousands of nuclear pore present between the nuclear envelope. Now, ribosome transfer into the cytoplasm. Here, they transfer into the cytoplasm and produce a protein. Now we completed our information about nucleus. In the cytoplasm, different types of organelles, which is endoplasmic reticulum, have two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce a fats, produce a lipid, and also produce an enzyme. Rough endoplasmic reticulum produce a protein and transfer it into the Golgi apparatus. Now, Golgi apparatus perform an important role. This organelle, Golgi apparatus, present near the endoplasmic reticulum, and this Golgi apparatus maintain the material that they got from the endoplasmic reticulum, and after that they form a vesicle. The vesicle goes into the cytoplasm. Golgi apparatus form a vesicle that transfer into the cytoplasm, and then lysosomes have a hydrolytic enzyme. They break down the protein, they break down the carbohydrate, they break down the lipids and form a vacuoles. These vacuoles are again transferred into the cytoplasm. Because Golgi apparatus and lysosome both have connection with each other. Lysosome also arise from the Golgi apparatus. Now, after that, peroxisome similar to the lysosomes, and lysosome actually peroxisome similar to the lysosome, and lysosome actually are the packed like structure, and peroxisome also packed like structure. They have different function, but they have same structure. Peroxisome break down the free fatty acid. Now, another point I want to explain you, which is mitochondria. Mitochondria, cylindrical structure that produce ATP electron transport chain also in the mitochondria. All types of metabolism also in the mitochondria. And cytoskeleton are also present in the cytoplasm. They are cylindrical tubular structure, which is microtubule, microfilament, intermediate filament, intermediate filament. Look at, we have cytoskeleton, we have endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, peroxisome, mitochondria. These are all organelles present into the cytoplasm, and they perform different role for formation of ATP. Because if they didn't perform, all organelles have different function and perform important role. Clinically, if I explain you, if the mitochondria disturb, the structure of the mitochondria disturbed, there is no formation of ATP and cell death. Means no production of ATP, cell death. Why cell death? It's due to the lack of oxygen, ischemia happen. Ischemia happen. Now, we have a cell membrane. Cell membrane composed of phospholipid bilayer, proteins, carbohydrate, lipids, and cholesterol. Cell membrane transport the substance from outside and also transport substance from inside. Cell membrane perform an important role for resting membrane potential and action potential. Resting membrane potential and action potential.